To review your team activity and content history easily, you need a straightforward method that gets you the info you need without wasting time. This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you the fastest and most efficient way to track and analyze team activity and past content. Stick around till the end, as I'll also share a special tool that I've tested to make this process seamless, and you can access an exclusive free trial in the description below. Now, the first thing you want to do is set up your dashboard to give you a clear overview. A good dashboard shows you recent activity, key content metrics, and team performance at a glance. Once you've set up your dashboard, you'll be able to see what your team is working on in real time, whether it's content creation, comments, or collaboration tasks. Next, make sure your software is tracking all content history automatically. For instance, our software logs every edit, comment, and approval made by the team, allowing you to quickly review previous versions of content and who made changes. This saves you from hunting through emails or chat logs when you need to figure out what happened in the past. Just a click or two will bring up a complete history of all edits, providing transparency and saving you hours of manual work. One of the most useful features when reviewing team activity is filtering by time period or specific team member. If you need to see what's been happening this week or want to look at the work from a particular team member, this feature is a game changer. You'll see exactly who's been contributing the most, and you can track the quality of their work over time. With these filters, you can zoom into the data that matters the most for your review process. Now, here's something you might not have thought of: tracking team interaction with content. Are they leaving feedback, collaborating, or just pushing through? This insight is crucial, and with the right tools, you can review these interactions in detail. For example, with our software, you can easily spot when team members have interacted with certain pieces of content and how it's impacting your project's progress. To keep this all organized, consider setting up activity notifications. These alerts will tell you when content has been updated or when a team member has interacted with something important. This means you won't need to check manually, and you'll always be up to date without having to dig through logs or emails. Lastly, if you're managing large teams or several content projects, it's essential to keep tabs on your metrics, like engagement, reach, or views. These key data points will show you which types of content are performing best and which ones need attention. With our software, all this information can be summarized in easy-to-read reports that give you the big picture in a flash. Key takeaway: to review team activity and content history easily, you need a software solution that automates and organizes this process, providing you with up-to-date data, content history, and performance insights at a glance. Set up your dashboard, track content interactions, filter by time or team member, and get those notifications. Trust me, once you're on top of this, you'll save a ton of time and stay informed. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the tool we've used in this video, check out the exclusive free trial available in the description below. It's only available to my viewers, so be sure to grab it while you can. Thanks for watching.